Hello, this is my MAHO 1000. I'm working at a part or disassembling this machine, and I'm working at disassembling electrical part of this machine. Why I do this? Because original computer died, and nowadays we know better ways how to run CNC machines, and I remove so much of wires. Lot of wires and cables, also I dismounted a lot of relays and switches, Also I remove the fuses, smelting fuses. Nowadays I've not seen those type of fuses in machines. That fuse we can see in museum now. What I leave on this machine, I leave power supplies, it's a transformers for servos and servo drivers, limit switches, one more power supply, servos, and hydro station, and wiring what is going to servos, limit switches, some kind of other devices. So here is still a lot of wiring, and later I take a book all wirings for here. Later I call for electrical expert. He's a computer expert and will figure it out how to connect all wires. So thanks for the watching, good luck and have a nice day.